Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. High blood pressure. Ingredients: 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers, 1 clove of garlic or 1 teaspoon of garlic extract, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Instructions: pour 1 cup of boiling water over the dried hibiscus flowers, finely chopped garlic and fresh grated ginger. Add the cinnamon towards the end of the steeping time. Allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain into a cup to remove the solids. You can add honey to taste if desired. How to use. This herbal tea is excellent in relieving indigestion. It is ideal to drink this tea warm, at least 20 to 30 minutes before meals or when you experience indigestion. How it works. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins that are phytochemicals considered to be responsible for the anti-hypertensive effects. It also is found to contain polyphenols and hibiscus acid that also aid in lowering blood pressure as well as cholesterol. Garlic contains allicin, which is known to enhance blood vessel flexibility and helps regulate blood pressure. Ginger contains gingerol and other components that improve blood circulation and relax the muscles surrounding blood vessels. Last but not least, cinnamon contains polyphenols that are helpful in lowering blood sugar as well as blood pressure. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to see new content.